Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to give you a sneak peek. Well, actually, it's like a little tour of what's inside my freezer. I batch cook a lot. Well, I don't do it all the time. For example, these past 2 weeks, I was very busy. So I think I only batch cooked once and it was something very simple. I just did it yesterday. So all the food that you're going to see inside my freezer that's been batch cooked hasn't been batch cooked recently. So my freezer might be a little bit more stuffed with freezer foods usually, but I wanted to show you what it looks like right now. We have 2 freezers. We have a half freezer over here. It's with 3 drawers. And then we also have a small chest freezer inside our shoe room / cleaning products room / ladder / well, let's call it a utility room, right? It's quite, not messy, well, it's not aesthetically very pleasing, but it works. You'll see it later. So let's start from the small freezer. Starting from the bottom, I should have done this in summer. We've got Moroccan stew. All the meals that you see are meant for our family of 4, so that's one family portion. Another batch of Moroccan stew. This is like a veggie and steak mix. It's steak fajita. Japanese beef stew. Goodness knows why I didn't use freezer bags, because this isn't the best way to freeze it. But there you go. And another batch of Japanese beef. So that's the bottom drawer. Over there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meals. And it's not all full. Next drawer. So frozen pizza. Little individual pizzas, the healthiest I could find. That's marinade for ribs, chili con carne, vegan cashew sauce for pasta, chili con carne, chicken curry. This is turkey breast. I keep it shredded for salads or pies or sandwiches. I just batch cook and make more. Spare hams. And then oh, we have another marinade. Frozen desserts. Just put that back into the bag. Here we have, besides the little bits and pieces, right? Let's see how many meals we have. I won't call this a meal, the turkey breast, but it's here. I won't call the pizzas proper meals either, more like snacks. So those there. So we've got 2 marinades and 1 chicken curry, 2 chili con carne, 3 the pasta sauce, and 4. So that's another 4 meals, snacks, and there's loads of room in the freezer as well. So if you're not batch cooking freezing food because we say that you've got a tiny freezer, this is solid proof that you can do it. At the top I have some frozen garlic, frozen onions, extra cookie dough. I always make a large batch of these. I have some frozen bread. There's no meals here, more like bits and pieces, and some frozen herbs as well, like basil and parsley. And then here I have small individual portions of, I made this homemade caramel sauce, and I just made some spare because I like using it in summer when I serve ice cream as dessert, and I just want to dress this up a little bit. The rest is all ice cream, ice packs. We do tend to spend long days picnicking, camping, outside in the terrace, and I need my ice cubes to keep my food cold. So that's it for the small freezer. Now let's go to the utility room and check out freezer number 2. Welcome to my utility room. I did say we do pack quite a lot of stuff over here. In fact, I forgot to mention cooler bags and like school bags or Nina's bags, and we also keep like brooms and stuff like that, and also bags with things that need to be moved out of the house. There's a lot in here, but this room, I mean, I don't know how I could do without it, and I'm just going to show you what we have inside our chest freezer. So first of all, we have quite a bit of homemade ice lollies. made from strawberries mostly, and watermelon as well. We also have ice cream. There's this tub. This tub. We keep frozen yogurt in here as well. More ice cream. No, actually more fruit lollies. Fail. Okay, didn't break that. So what else? Chips. Burgers, good quality beef burgers. And I have a lot of meat because we just bought a load of ribeye on offer. Just packed it properly and stashed it in the freezer because spring is around the corner, and when it's springtime we eat outside in our terrace a lot and we like to grill meat. We also have a couple of events coming up for the family and friends, so it's good to be prepared. Chicken breast. I'll have to put these on the floor. Let's make it quick. So some more chicken breast. Half a bag of ravioli. It's quite random it's in there because sometimes the kids are hungry and I need to pick something quick for them. More chicken breast. Some bread. I hate food waste. So if I have a sandwich that's kind of starting to go stale, I will freeze it and I will use it for toast. Fish for fish and chips. Yummy. I need a break. What else is down here? Aha, okay. That's some more ribeye. More ice cream. I need to defrost this freezer actually. If you'd like to see a video on how I defrost and clean my freezer, leave a comment in the comments box and give me a thumbs up so I will know what you'd like me to create for you. So last few bits and pieces, some more sandwich bread. I need to make more toast. Frozen spinach. Potato wedges. My favorite snack, or one of them. Frozen edamame beans. I have another bag as well, that's two of them. That's what's inside my larger freezer. As you can see, the meals which I batch cook and freeze, I keep in my other freezer simply because it's more accessible. I do meal plans, so I know exactly what I need to take out from my freezer and put into the fridge to defrost, but it does help to keep them handy whilst I'm going about my day. If you'd like to learn more about batch cooking and freezing, I'd like to invite you to have a look at my blog. There are a ton of resources, and I also have more videos right here on this channel about batch cooking and freezing your food and how to be more productive in the kitchen. I've linked my blog in the description right beneath this video. I hope to see you over there. Please subscribe to my channel and I'd love to see you come back here. Thanks for watching. Bye! I forgot to tell you, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, let me know. I'm just trying to experiment with different styles of videos to see what you love the most and knowing what's really helped because I can create the videos that you actually want to see. Thank you once again. This is my cue to go now. Bye!